kunosisi la ongifonele ekhaya ethi uyi-traffic cop manje inkinga yakhe maye kuzokhuluma ukuthi ngingagqoka amabhlukwe inkinga yakhe kulomsebenzi wakhe bagqoka amabhlukwe so manje uyabuza take Chris ungibuzeke because uthi unanokufaka i-tight bese faka i-dress end uthi ubuza uthi hey Chris angibuzele man because manje sengikhathazekile.
Amaphoyisa SAP nama-traffic cop bafaka amabhlukwe neskirt kodwa ngibonile laba abafaka iskirt ubuningi babo bahlala e-officeini maybe I don't know
yeah
but banazo igate so uJesu uthi sibakhuze nabonke abasebenza kamasipala or anywhere abasebenza khona bafaka amabhlukwe bacela ama supervisor wabo ukuthi yena ucela iskirt and esikhulu singambamba so kodwa if i-management but last gqoka kanje makagqoke ubhlukwe emsebenzini makachayisa apkhiphele khona lapho afake isikete sakhe afake ibhlukwe ngasebhekeni then ahamba angahambi estradini ukuya ekhaya afake ibhlukwe